In this video, you'll learn how to upload a CSV file in Mailchimp. This process will allow you to import your contacts efficiently into your Mailchimp audience. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Once there, you should see the login option prominently displayed. If you are not logged in, enter your credentials and proceed to sign in. After logging in, you will arrive at the Mailchimp dashboard, which features various options for managing your campaigns and audiences. Next, locate the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Audience. This section allows you to manage your contacts. After you click on it, you may need to select all contacts to view your complete list. This interface provides an overview of your audience and their engagement with your campaigns. After that, find the button labeled Manage Audience and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting several options. Choose Import Contacts from this menu. This action will direct you to the Import Contacts page where you can select your method of importing. Once this appears, click on the option that says Upload a File. This option allows you to upload your CSV file directly from your device. You will then see a prompt to choose the file you want to upload. Ensure that your CSV file is formatted correctly, as improper formatting may lead to errors during the import process. Now, click on the button labeled Continue. Mailchimp will analyze your file and provide feedback on how many contacts will be imported. It is important to check if there are any issues with the file that need to be resolved before continuing. Next, you will need to click on Select a File. This will open your File Explorer, allowing you to browse your computer for the CSV file you wish to upload. Once you locate the file, select it and click Open. The system will then prepare your file for import. After selecting the CSV file, click on Continue again. Mailchimp will process the file. Depending on the size of your CSV, this may take some time, so be patient while it uploads. If your file is large, ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid interruptions during the upload. Once the upload is complete, you will need to wait for a brief period while Mailchimp processes the data. During this time, it may display a progress indicator. If any errors arise, review the notifications provided by Mailchimp to correct any issues. After processing, you will be prompted to organize your contacts. Click on Organize your contacts. This step is crucial for maintaining a well-structured audience, which will enhance your marketing efforts. Next, you will see a message recommending that you keep all your contacts in one audience. This will make it easier for you to manage your data as your list grows. Click Continue to proceed with the import process. Continue to follow the prompts, clicking on Continue multiple times as directed. Each click will take you further along the import process. Ensure that you review any additional instructions or options presented to you. Finally, when prompted, click on Finalize Import. This will confirm that you are ready to complete the import process. After this, click on Complete Import to finish. Your contacts will now be successfully imported into Mailchimp, ready for your marketing campaigns. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.